Welcome to the TextShare databases. The purpose of this tutorial is to introduce you to Learning Express Library's College Admissions Test Preparation, a program which can help you prepare for important exams like the ACT, SAT, AP tests, and more. You can find Learning Express Library at the TextShare databases on the Bee Cave Public Library website. If you're not sure how to access the TextShare databases from here, see our tutorial on how to access the TextShare databases. Since you know the name of the database you want, choose Resources A to Z from the menu at the top of the page. We are looking for Learning Express Library, so choose the letter L. Now choose Learning Express Library. You will want to create a personal account so that you can save your work in progress, save your score reports, and revisit any practice tests, tutorials, or ebooks. Registration only requires a valid email address and password. From the Learning Express Library homepage, choose College Admissions Test Preparation. I'll choose Prepare for your SAT test so you can see the type of help that is available. Here you can see which practice tests and tutorials the program offers. A help button is available if you need any help along the way. And of course, you can contact the reference librarians at Bee Cave Public Library if you need further help with Learning Express Library or any of the other TextShare databases.